Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back again to Malik Motors. Another day, another car. So for today, our new arrival, I have your 2024 Nissan Xterra Platinum. So this car is equipped with 2.4 liter engine, 4-wheel drive, 7-seaters, perfect for family car. Come, let me show you the interior. So I have multimedia steering with cruise control, push start engine, with 10 inches LCD screen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Well-designed dashboard, leather seats, 4x4 options, automatic parking brake, and modern design, clean, neat interior. So for as low as 2,400 monthly, you can bring home your dream car. Zero down payment option, pay after 2 to 3 months with no hidden charges. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Come and visit us here in Malik Motors and book your test drive now.